Okay guys, yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you how to increase your startup time and your boot time. Many people just hate to wait for their computers to boot up, and I have friends who take 20 minutes to boot up their Windows XP, and it's terrible. I think that waiting for your computer to boot up is retarded. So yeah, here goes. So okay, first of all, you go to start, run. Okay, and over here you type msconfig. That's msconfig, msconfig, and then you click OK, and then you wait for the window to load up. And just give it a moment. Okay, right here. So let's go straight to the boot tab. Okay, and over here there's a timeout. There's a timeout section here. Set it down to 3 seconds. Okay, and over here check the no GUI boot box. Yeah, check it. It gives you a special load screen so that your video, so that your computer takes up faster, because it does not have to load the boot screen. Go to advanced options, your number of processors, check the box and switch it to the maximum number. For me, it's core to duo, so it's 2. If you are quad core, it's 4. And check the number of maximum memory. A number will come out, and that's your maximum memory. Yeah, and just leave the number as that. And click OK. Okay, now we go to startup. Okay, so basically, as you can see, I've like unchecked any of my startup programs. Yeah, so over here you can control the programs that you want to start up with your computer. So for me, I've only checked a few. Yeah, so the fewer the better. So for me, I've taken Windows Defender, my graphic card driver NVIDIA, my wireless assistant HP, my iTunes, my Messenger, my Steam, and my operating system. And yeah, that's about it. Those are the few important ones. So it's up to you what you want and what you need. So I recommend the fewer the better, but do not disable all, such that your computer doesn't start with anything, so you have to run the programs one by one. It gets a bit tedious. So let's go to services. So for me, you can I've disabled quite a number. So you can try application layer gateway service, areas chat room server, you know computer browser, Bluetooth support service, offline files, Windows Media Center. Crap, I don't need it. Ready Boost. Yeah, if you want to know what it is, you can just send me a message on YouTube. For fax. Fax is if you do not have a fax machine, it's useless. My antivirus program, I'm using AVG now, so it's quite useless. Google Updater service, HP Health Check service, IP helper is useless as well. Server, if you're not hosting a server, you can just close it down. I'm not using workstation, so I can just close it down because I'm a gamer. So peer networking, I'm on a notebook and I'm only linked to myself, so I don't need that. Microsoft Office diagnostic service, we don't really need that. Quick play, to me, I don't use it at all. Remote registry, I don't use it either. It's useless, so you can just disable it. Cyberlink, which is my webcam, and then you guys can see my tablet PC. I'm not using a tablet PC, so I disable it. Telephony is useless as well. Virtual disk, Windows time, web client, problem reports and solutions, control panel, Windows error reporting service, parental control, Windows media player. I don't need that because I'm using iTunes. So it's up to you what you need and what you do not need. So try to follow what I've disabled. Yeah, it's pretty safe because my computer's working fine for me. So after that, you just click OK down here and exit without restart because we'll be continuing. Go here, go to MS. No, now we go to run again. Okay, over here we go to reg edit, regedit. That stands for registry editor. Okay, so you'll see five folders here. You go to HK local machine, and we go down to system. You expand it, and then you see current control set. You expand it, and then you see control here. You just click the folder. You don't need to expand it, and then over here you see this registry called wait to kill service timeout. You can see wait to kill service timeout. Your default will be set to 20,000. Turn it down to 5,000. Yeah, so your shutdown time is much faster. Set it down to 5,000 like I've done. Then you close it. Okay, now let us go to start. Okay, let's go to all programs, and then you go to Windows Defender right here. Go to tools and go to Software Explorer. Okay, here you can see a list of softwares that start up your computer. You can disable what you need and what you do not need. So for me, I've disabled something such as QuickTime, my AVG. So up to you what you want to disable. Okay, so up to your preference. Okay, and next you just go to start. You can go to you don't go to documents. You go to control panel. You go to system and maintenance, and you go down and performance, information, and tools. Right, and then you just go on the left column. There's this thing called adjust visual effects. So if you want your computer to have the best speed when it's loading programs and software, you just click adjust for best performance, so it does not have to keep track of your graphics, so more memory is focused on your programs. So but it'll look very dull, so I suggest ticking the last two boxes, the fourth from the bottom, and then you scroll up. Oh shit. Yeah, I'll tick the top two animates, the animate the animate options, and get the three fade options, and that's about it. That's what I recommend if you want the best performance and minimum appearance. But for me, I'm running Vista Ultimate, so I must get the best graphics, and I have 4 gig RAM, so it doesn't really matter to me. So for me, adjust for best appearance, I'm checking all of it. Yeah, so click OK, and you're done. Yeah, and for those of you who have a Windows sidebar, yeah, I've closed mine. But if you want to know how to disable it, you can just go to Start, Control Panel. You go to Appearance and Personalization. You go to Windows Sidebar Properties, and on the first line, yeah, this option Start Sidebar. When Windows starts, you disable it. Yeah, it helps your computer boot up a lot faster. But for those of you who like a start bar similar to Macs, yeah, feel free to keep it there. But if you want a faster startup, I suggest you disable it. So yeah, I guess that's about it. Yeah, there'll be a second video coming up. It's using an external program. Yeah, with these two combined, it enhances your computer's performance a lot. So do check out the second video. Yeah, so do check it out. Yeah, thank you. I hope you enjoyed my guide.